It's welcome back to me, Jof at Mo Hotel Adventures. I wanted to put out a little video tonight on visual intelligence. Everybody is going to go, what is he on about tonight? It's a great little application for your mobile phone, iPhone. If you use an iPhone, check this out. So the next step is to add the visual intelligence app to your dashboard. So I'm just going to pull down my dashboard, and as you can see down at the bottom of my dashboard there is the app already installed. So if you have not got that app installed on the dashboard, all you need to do is hit the cross up on the top, the plus sign at the top of the screen, hit the add control. Okay, so this is now all the controls that you can add to your dashboard. So you need to scroll down to Apple Intelligence and Siri, and then on here the visual intelligence button is there, so then you can add that to your dashboard. So it's as easy as that. So with your visual intelligence app loaded on your dashboard, it's just a case of hitting the button and opening the camera. So how is it going to be handy for people like us with motorhomes? Well, there's the first example. A little while back we actually managed to get hold of some of these little curtain hooks for the motorhome. So they're the little tiny, we ended up with a nice bag of 100 actually, but so they're so useful, and but it's just accessing these little tiny items like this. How do you find this on Amazon? So I'm going to show you. So here we go with the application enabled on the iPhone, and all we need to do is go, and the magic appears, and it just gives you the name of them, Amazon, availability on Amazon. Let's hit the button. When can we get them? There they are. There it is. Straight away. So all them little tiny things that you come across, it's just going to make life so much easier to access some of these essential parts without the headaches involved in trying to access it. Close the application, or get ready for the next thing you want to. And I'm just sort of having a bit of a random actually, and I thought I'd just try my torch. Lots of people ask about certain things, so there we go. There's the Nebo torch. We're going to search that. There we go. Straight away. Blacks have got them. Amazon again. Various torches similar. It's so easy and so handy. It was a long time ago, 2012. That was an early one, but this was a directory that we picked up in France for some motorhome itineraries a long time ago. We've probably done a lot of them, but if you want to translate things like this, all you need to do is again just get the picture on the application, hit the button, and it's going to ask ChatGPT, and there it is, the guidebook, and it will translate 2012 70 tourist circuits across 24 European countries, including 8 border crossovers, blah blah blah. How good is that? So you can actually read the cover of a book and translate it pretty straightforwardly, and that's what I need, definitely. Give it a whirl. It's so much fun, absolutely so much fun. The Loire Valley, where can we, so let's hit that then. There it is, and you can search on Google or eBay.
How neat is that?
So what about a part like a Dometic power rail lamp? So just before we disappear, what about Motorhome Adventures? What happens with this one? We'll search it. Oh my god, top of the pile. And if we want to know some information, what about going for Ask Chat GPT? Motorhome Adventures appears to be a travel themed concept combining a hotel and a camper van. The design celebration reaches 5,000 YouTube views, suggesting it documents road trips of unique lodging experiences. That is amazing. And yes, it's a little bit out of date because this week we've amassed a mighty 3,300,000 views on YouTube, and we have amassed 8,500 subscribers, and we'd just like to thank every single one of you. So if you've enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, and appreciate watching. It's a bit of fun, and you can have a lot of fun with this application. So get it on your iPhone and start having some great fun with it, and drop us a comment, tell us what you found. It's amazing.